Welcome, young explorers. Today, we're going to shrink down and dive deep into the amazing human body to learn about three very important organs: the heart, the brain, and the digestive system. These organs work together to keep you healthy and strong, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to tackle some exciting challenges in your interactive escape room. So, let's get started. First up is the heart. The heart is like a pump, constantly working to send blood all around your body. It pumps blood into special tubes called arteries, which carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. The heart has valves that make sure blood only moves in one direction. Oxygen-poor blood comes into the right side of the heart and gets sent to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen. Then it moves to the left side of the heart, which pumps the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of your body. Pretty cool, right? Let's test your heart knowledge. Question: what's the main job of the heart? It's to pump blood throughout the body. Next, we're off to the brain, the body's command center. The brain controls everything you do, whether it's running, thinking, or even just breathing. It communicates with the rest of your body using special cells called neurons. Neurons send electrical signals to different organs, telling them what to do. For example, the brain sends signals to your heart to keep it beating and to your muscles to help you move. Remember, the left side of your brain controls the right side of your body, and the right side controls the left. Let's see what you remember. Does the brain keep working even when you're asleep? Yes. The brain never stops working. Finally, let's dive into the digestive system. This is where your body turns the food you eat into energy. It all starts in your mouth, but the real work happens in your stomach, where food gets broken down by stomach acid. After that, the food moves into the small intestine, where your body absorbs most of the nutrients. Whatever's left goes to the large intestine, which absorbs water and gets rid of waste. Your digestive system is like a super-powered fuel factory. Time for a quick check. Where does digestion begin? It starts in the mouth. Now that you know all about the heart, brain, and digestive system, you're ready to explore even deeper in the Operation Organ Odyssey escape room. Along the way, you'll face fun challenges that will test what you've learned. But don't worry, you can always re-watch this video if you need a quick refresher. Good luck on your adventure! And remember, for even more awesome science-themed escape rooms and the chance to earn free dig kits, head over to excavatingadventures.com. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for joining today's journey through the human body. You've learned how the heart pumps blood, how the brain controls everything, and how the digestive system turns food into energy. You're officially a body expert. Now go put your knowledge to the test.